Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Apple report for Wednesday, April 19th, 2023. Before I jump into the charts, please click like every time you watch the Apple report. It helps us in being found on YouTube by others when they search for Apple analysis. And subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. You'll be notified each and every time new content has been uploaded, and that includes the daily Apple and the daily Tesla report. And check out wickedstocks.com, a subscription-based service that provides daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, 2 individual stock picks every week. I could go on and on and on. Wickedstocks.com. Check it out. We offer a 5-day money-back guarantee. So, weekly bar chart. In early January, we tested what had been a targeted zone of support in the low to mid 120s. When we tested that, we'd mentioned how the low 170s channel top should be considered attainable by some point in 2023. And about a month later, we opened, gapped above, closed above this channel top at 135.80, then putting it in the 3 to 5 month likelihood for testing 170, 146. And just a couple of weeks ago, we clearly pushed through, settled above a zone of resistance that is now kind of widening, but it's in the, I'm just going to call it the upper 150s, low 160s, which is still our base of near-term support, meaning can contain selling into May trade, and above which 170, 146 remains a 2 to 3 week target. And that remains sort of the picture here. So let's kind of rifle through here these charts. I've got a lot going on in the low 165 handle today. First of all, we gapped above, closed above the 165.34 descending channel top that had held the highs in for a few days. That has indicated 169.15 over the next day or two, and over the next 3 to 5 days, that targeted 170, 169 level. If we break 165.34, it's not a sell signal, but if we break 165.12, it is. So it is kind of a narrow range. We are bullish for the day and really through the rest of the week above 165.34, and we turned bearish for the day below 165.12, then anticipating perhaps 163.60 that you can see here to the far right. And I'll say that if we close below 165.12, I think we'll probably unravel all the way back into the low 160s. 160, 146 likely within a few days. And by this point next week, the 157.15, this rising 2/3 speed line to 160.10 area, where are you? There you are. This is a new channel bottom based in part on Tuesday's high. So yes, if we close below 165.12 today, this 160.10 channel bottom anticipated by the end of next week, or by this point next week perhaps. It depends on how the market obviously behaves, but it does require a settlement below 165.12 to indicate a good high for the week. That is your 3 to 5 day swing trade, by the way. The 3 to 5 day swing trade bullish above 165.34. I could actually have bumped this area up to a 2-star support. 165.34 perhaps able to contain selling through the rest of the week, and above which 170, 169 likely over the next 3 to 5 days. The upside 3 to 5 day swing trade. Inversely, closing below 165.12, the 3 to 5 day swing trade shifts negative, anticipating 160.10 over that time frame. And 160.10 is really the start of a narrowing zone of long-term support down to 157.15 that can once again absorb selling, and I'm going to show it on this chart here, it's better, can absorb selling through May if we test it over the next week or two, and once tested, rally back into the low 170s over the following 3 to 5 weeks. Not unless we close below 157.15 does this thing come undone, so to speak, become unraveled through May and even into the later second quarter. And we'll cover all that at that time, but for right now, for all intents and purposes, this is the trade. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Apple report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Let's go with the upside again today. Take a look at holding above 165.34. We'll keep 169.15 in reach today where we can place a daily high. So that is really still the day trade. All the minor points inside have been carefully chosen, but it's 165.34 is your bottom picking, above which 169.15 in reach today where we can place a daily high. So buying 165.34, taking profits at 169.15, closing above 169.15, expect 171.69 tomorrow, which is this horizontal long-term channel top. Goes back to the January 22 high over a year. 171.69, able to absorb buying through the third quarter, possibly into later year. Well, I guess that's about the same thing. And inversely, if we were to close above 171.69, that is a long-term buy signal for this market. I can tell you right now, I know what I'll be looking for as the long-term objective. I can tell you, I don't have the exact number, but if you take a trend line off that March 2020 COVID low against this low here from early January, this speed line almost represents it, but it's a little higher. The angle's a little steeper, as you can see. So if you take a trend line across these lows and project it against this intermediate high, you get something like this. It'll be in the 210s, I suspect, right now. Closing above 171.69. We're looking for the 210s, 220s within a matter of possibly 3 to 5 months. And that would be the next big picture buy signal. I'll be mapping that out as we approach the low 170s long-term resistance. You know, I think I'm going to leave it at that for the day. This is a good image to leave you with. We're constructive above 165.34, anticipating 169.15 today. And that's all I've got for Wednesday's Apple Report. I'll be back tomorrow with Thursdays. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll talk tomorrow.